Textbook. Namaskar everyone. How are you all children?
Namaskar.
How are you all? Okay, let us start our class with a prayer. Close your eyes, join your hands.
मैं ही अग्नि रूपधर इनके द्वारा खाए गए चारों प्रकार के अन्न को पचाता हूँ।
Rub your hands, children. Put them on your eyes and open your eyes slowly. Namaskar, everyone.
Namaskar, ma'am.
Namaskar. Let us start. Let's see. Today's day and date is we are in our UKG English class today, children. It is Tuesday, 26th of October 2021. And what is our thought of the day? Laughter is brightest where food is best. Laughter is brightest where food is best. अगर आप अच्छा खाना खाते हो तो आप हमेशा कैसे रहते हो? हेल्दी रहते हो. और अगर आप हेल्दी रहते हो तो आप क्या करोगे? हमेशा हंसते रहोगे, है कि नहीं? So laughter is brightest where food is best. That is why Mama Papa makes for you, cooks for you good food. They bring good things for you to keep your mental health good. And if you are healthy from inside, you always give others smile and happiness. Okay. Today's classwork and homework is page 48 of worksheet 2 classwork and page 49 of worksheet 2 homework. These are sentences. And what are sentences, children? We learnt yesterday. Can anyone tell me what are sentences? What are sentences, children? Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of sentences? It starts with a capital letter, okay, and ends with a very good. So, yes, sentences are words put together in a way that they are understood. है ना? Sentences में हम कैसे words को एक साथ मिलाते हैं जिससे कि sentence का सही मतलब हमें समझ में आए. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Okay. So now let us start reading of the sentences as you will give your attendance. So are you all ready to give your attendance, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for attendance?
Yes,
Okay. First of all, let's start from Vian today. Vian, are you present, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vian, read this sentence, beta.
He is a boy.
मैम उसने बोला.
Okay, this is a... Sorry, I was unable to. Very good. Thank you, Vian. Vani, the next sentence.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next sentence. Children. Okay, next. Children what? Enjoy. Very good. Excellent. Thank you, Vani. Rian, off your camera. Vaishnavi, your turn now. Water. Water. Yes, water. Pavitra, off your camera for now. Water. Very good. Water will boil. Okay, next whose turn? Riva.
Yes,
Riva, read this sentence.
she has fun.
Very good. Thank you. Ranshi.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Page number?
Sorry, ma'am.
Page number.
Page number 80. Zoom Phonics textbook. Franshi. Yes, yes, ma'am. Franshi.
Yes, you.
Franshi. Purab, read this word better. Read this sentence, Purab.
The shore is more stop.
Very good. आपकी आवाज ऐसी क्यों है बेटा? What happened? Purab, what happened? Are you okay, Purab? On your camera, please. On your camera. Purab, what happened, beta? Dhruti, please wait, everyone. Purab,
Hello,
what
ma'am.
happened, beta?
मैम उसके
Yes,
पैर
ma'am.
में बहुत दर्द हो रहा है ना, इसलिए वो रो रहा है।
Oh my God, I'm so sorry. What happened, Purab?
ज्यादा खेलने के लिए उसने वो पग का वो
अच्छा,
कर दिया।
okay. You'll get well soon, Purab. Don't worry, okay? Dip your legs in hot water. Okay, Purab? You will be fine. Okay, beta?
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am. Pranshi, your turn again. Because I can't hear you speaking. Pranshi, कुछ बोलो. Okay, Pavitra, your turn.
Yes, ma'am. She will join the dot.
Very good. She will join the dot. Very good. Thank you, beta. Next is Niva.
Yes, ma'am. He will play with her toy.
Very good. He will play with the toy. Excellent, Niva. Thank you, beta.
Welcome, ma'am.
Okay, Nisara, your turn now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The snake
The snake
under the tea in a cold.
Very good. Excellent, Nisara. Very good, beta. Excellent. Next is Jianshu. Welcome, beta. Jianshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's read. This is page number 82, okay?
82. He will make
Yes. Yes. Loud. Loud. He will make a loud sound. Very good, Janshu. Thank you, beta. Next is Isham. Isham,
Yes, ma'am.
read the sentence, beta.
The
Queen
queen
wears
wears
crown. The queen wears.
crown.
Very good. The queen wears the crown. Thank you, Isham. After Isham is Jia.
Yes, ma'am.
Jia. Okay, read this sentence.
She can your the dog ground.
Very good. Excellent, Jia. Next is Harshit.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this sentence, beta.
Her book will
Fall.
on the ground.
Very good, Harshit. Excellent. Huh? Very good, Harshit. Very, very good.
Ma'am.
Excellent. Thank you. Dhruti, your turn, beta. Unmute yourself. Namaskar, Dhruti. Okay. Let's read page number 83. Page number 83. Harshit, कैमरा ऑफ कर दो. Which one are you reading, first or second, Dhruti? First or second? Second, okay. Let's read. He thinks special. Yes, very good. He thinks it is special. He thinks it is special. Dhruti के बाद. Okay, thank you, beta. Teeth, your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the next sentence.
Read sentence.
Which sentence will you read? Please. हाँ.
बेटा
He says
हाँ.
माइट है बेटा
my
Very good.
No, kids.
Mike?
The ostrich.
Very good. She says my coin is lost. Excellent, Steve. Thank you. See, with the help of phonics, you can read any sentence. Thank you. Harnish, your turn, beta.
આ શું છે ઈ છે એસીનો ઈ જી કે ટી છે એસીનો ઈ થાય આમ જો
Okay, Harnish, which one are you reading?
જી એ માય હર ઇટ ઇઝ ઇટ ઇઝ જો યા બતાવો
Harnish, read once again, beta. I could not understand which sentence it was. Read again.
સી અચ્છા કન્ફ્યુઝન થઈ જાય હું બોલું કહું તમે આ કહ્યું ને
Okay. Very good. He says with a smile, here it is. Very good, Harnish. Good try, beta. Very good. Thank you. Aradhya, your turn now. Which sentence will you read, Aradhya? From page 83. Which sentence? Harmony, darwaza band karo. Please. Aradhya. Thank you. Which sentence are you reading, Aradhya? He says what is wrong. Very good. Thank you. Is it a full stop or a question mark? Is this a full stop or a question mark? It's a question mark. Yes, you are asking a question. He says, what is wrong? Kya hua? Question mark. Okay? It's a question mark. It's not a dot. You asked a question. So when you ask a question, you expect a reply also. अगर रिप्लाई आता है तो फुल स्टॉप लगता है. जब आप क्वेश्चन पूछते हो तो क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है. ओके एवरीवन? आराध्या, you did a good job. Thank you, beta. Anshi, your turn. Anshi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us read, Anshi. Which one will you read, Anshi? Which sentence? Okay. Harmony, go.
એમને કે નથી આવતું સેકન્ડ નંબર નું કે પેલા એટલે પછી મેમ શીખડાવશે પેલા
Second one. This one you want to read?
Yes.
Okay. Read the sentence.
मैम मुझे नहीं आता है।
Okay, read with me. He thinks
He thinks
it is
it is
special.
special.
He thinks it is special. Okay? Okay. Thank you, beta. Agam, your turn now.
Yes.
Which sentence will you read, Agam?
He says, I am
Yes.
happy. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you, everyone. I am also very happy that you people are reading so well. Thank you, all of you. Clap for yourself. Excellent. Very good, everyone. Thank you for the attendance. So we are how many in the meeting today? 20. Agam, Anshi, Aradhya, Aharnish, Tirth, Dhruti, Harshit, Jia, Isham, Janshu, Nisara, Niva, Pavitra, Purab, Pranshi, Riva, Vaishnavi, Vani and Vian. Okay, let us open page number 48 of your worksheet, children. Page number 48 of your worksheet, please. Write down C, W and A. This is your new worksheet 2. Write down C, W and A. Yes, very good, Riva. You read well and you read properly and you read correct. Welcome. Now listen, everyone. For tomorrow, do you remember what it is tomorrow, everyone? What is it tomorrow, everyone? Do you remember? What is it? Yes, it's Wednesday, Harshit, and yes, Riva, it's Diya decoration tomorrow, and we also have Diwali. Yes, we have Diwali celebration tomorrow. Come dressed in beautiful clothes, everyone. Okay? And you can bring your Diya decoration items. Along with that, you can also bring fireworks. ओके, किडी फायरवर्क्स जो आप लोग कर सकते हो, बड़े बड़े फायरवर्क्स नहीं. We will have a small celebration, okay? Will you all be coming tomorrow?
Yes.
Who all are going to come tomorrow? Unmute and tell me. Yes, very good. Very good. Everyone has to be present tomorrow. Very good, please. Okay, Harshit. Yes, Vian said yes. Okay. Everyone has to be present tomorrow and wear beautiful clothes. Okay? मम्मा पापा ने नए कपड़े ले दिए होंगे ना दिवाली के लिए? Yes. So out of those clothes, take permission of mama papa and wear beautiful clothes. Come beautifully dressed. I will be waiting for you all. Okay, everyone? और दिया डेकोरेशन की चीजें लेकर आना. Tomorrow is your दिया डेकोरेशन final round. तो दिया डेकोरेशन की चीजें लेकर आना. Okay? Yes, ma'am. I will wait for you people. Tomorrow's time is 8:30 to 11. Parents, please inform the van drivers. 8:30 to 11. 8:30 to 11. Okay? और आप लोग अपने साथ कोई बुक नहीं लेकर आओगे. Only your lunch box, your bottle and your diya decoration item. Okay? Okay, let's start. Page number 48, everyone. Write down CW and date. Read aloud. Loud and rewrite the sentences given below. read aloud and rewrite the sentences given below. Now children, you people have started understanding the phonetic sounds. You now know the rules. I want you people to also read the heading. Okay everyone? आपको heading भी पढ़ना है. So what is the first picture and what is the first sentence everyone?
What is this?
Hat. Green leaf.
Am I audible to you people children?
No,
Am I audible? I can't hear you. Now am I audible? Okay. Okay, let's start reading beta. That tree has green leaves. That tree has green leaves. Yes. So let us write it down neatly. First letter should be capital. That tree. Sorry beta. That tree has green leaves. Off your camera everyone. Keep your camera off. We start the sentence with a capital letter, end it with a full stop. That tree has green leaves. That tree has green leaves. Okay everyone? Let's start the second sentence. Where is the cat, children? Where is the cat? It's on the log. So, the cat is sitting on the log. The cat is sitting on the cat is sitting yes, sitting में double consonant. The cat is sitting on the log. Where is the cat sitting, children? It is sitting on the log of wood. Okay everyone? Can anyone read the third sentence? Okay, why is it an orange? Orange के आगे an क्यों लगाया? Very good, excellent, very good beta. Because orange starts with letter O. O is a vowel. Vowel के आगे an लगेगा. Very good. Let's write an orange is a fruit. Full stop. Capital letter. An orange is a fruit. An orange is a fruit. What is the next sentence, children? Okay, what is this? This is the dustbin and it says throw all the litter in me. Litter matlab garbage, kachra. You should always throw all the litter, garbage in the bin. We throw litter in the bin. We throw litter has double consonant in the bin. Full stop. Capital letter end with full stop. We throw litter in the bin. We throw litter in the bin. What is the last sentence, children? Wet. Mop on the floor. Yes. First letter capital. Wet mop on the floor. Full stop. Everyone, page number 48.
Yes.
कहाँ पर बेटा? It's double vowel. It's double vowel. Yes, double vowel beta. Yes. So done page number 48 everyone.
Mop છે MOP mop.
Page 49 is your homework. Okay everyone. I'll see you tomorrow at school. And I will be waiting for everyone to come beautifully dressed. Okay children? So once again, what did we learn today? We learned sentences which are words brought together to give a meaning to the sentence, isn't it? And it starts with a capital letter, ends with a, the sentence ends with a, yes, and if you ask question, what if you ask question? तो पीछे क्या लगता है? Very good, excellent children. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow at school everyone. Come dress beautifully. Until then, stay safe at home. Namaskar, thank you. Bye everyone, thank you beta. Bye.